Welcome back to the Mid-Year YouTube channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to remove 63 to 82 Corvette front coil springs safely. So be sure to stick around.
So we're at the movies, huh?
Yep, we're at the movies.
I'm working on backdating this frame from a 78 to a C2 for my split project, and I want to replace the frame horns, and to do that I want to remove the suspension just so I have better access. And the first step in that is to remove the coil springs. So the best way we found to do that is to use one of these coil spring compressors, but we get rid of the top spreader bar here, and we just take the bottom one off, run the bar through where the shock would be, and loop one of the hooks on the coil spring down here, then have a floor jack under it to keep pressure on it. We'll go ahead and put tension on the spring compressor, and then I'll also run a ratchet strap over from the coil over to the frame, just in case something happens and the frame jumps up, that the spring doesn't go launching out the side and hit a nearby person or vehicle. But I also put in an engine block since I was mocking up where my clutch cross shaft bracket would be. So I have a little extra weight in here than just a bare chassis. But that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.